In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zoom with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add Zoom meetings directly from Google Calendar, so your invites include the Zoom link automatically. We'll use the official Zoom add-on for Google Calendar. This add-on connects your Zoom account to your Google Calendar so you can schedule meetings without bouncing between tabs. To start, go to the Google Workspace Marketplace and search for Zoom for Google Calendar. You'll see the Zoom add-on appear in the results. Click to install it. During installation, you'll be asked to authorize the add-on. These permissions let Zoom create meeting details in your calendar events, which is necessary for the sync to work. Once the add-on is installed, open Google Calendar in your browser. To create a new event, click Create, then choose More Options so you can see the full event editor. This is where the Zoom integration appears. Look for the section labeled Add Conferencing. Click it and select Zoom Meeting from the list. That tells Calendar to generate a Zoom meeting and attach it to this event. Next, fill in your meeting details like the title, date and time, guests, and any description you want attendees to see. When you save the event, Google Calendar will add the Zoom meeting link and related details right into the event. This means your invitees will receive the calendar invite with the Zoom join link already included. No need to paste anything manually. After the event is saved, you can open it anytime in Google Calendar to confirm the Zoom information. You'll see a Join Zoom meeting link inside the event. When it's time for the meeting, simply open the event and click Join Zoom Meeting to launch Zoom and get started. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. The add-on uses your current Zoom account to create meetings, so the settings in your Zoom account, like waiting room or passcode requirements, will apply. The event details in Calendar stay in sync with the Zoom meeting link you created. So if you adjust the time or add guests in Calendar, your invite stays consistent and your attendees keep the right link. Also, the Add Conferencing field is the key spot to look for Zoom meeting when you're scheduling. That's the indicator that the add-on is active. And that's it. Install the Zoom for Google Calendar add-on, create an event, choose Zoom Meeting under Add Conferencing, fill in your details, save, and use the Join Zoom Meeting link right from your calendar. Simple, reliable, and perfect for staying organized.